Hi guys, today we're going to be driving the Peugeot. This is a 1.2 litre petrol. Let's go. Hopefully you can see properly and it's not too bent. So it's got this new style gearbox. Hold it down there, then put the fan speed down a bit. That's bloody loud, man. I'll do. Then handbrake off. Back to normal. Okay. Hopefully you can see it's not too high. So yeah, it's a 1.2 litre, 128 or 29 horsepower, something like that. Similar to my Golf. So it's alright. But I'll show you how bad it is. It's not the fastest. It's because it's quite heavy. Easy. Full foot down. There's quite a lot of turbo lag as well on this car. So it's not the best. But the interior is quite nice. It's quite spacious, but there's a lot of blind spots. Big blind spots as well, because they're quite big. What's this guy doing? Now we have a cyclist to take. Wow. Yeah, it's a proper comfortable ride as in terms of suspension and all that stuff. Very comfortable ride. Because I enjoyed driving this car. It's pretty decent. So I'm gonna show you some motorway drives and stuff. The brakes are decent, they're not terrible. I do feel like this engine choice is very bad though. It's not good on power, it's not good on fuel economy. So what is the purpose of this engine? I'd say if I was to recommend you an engine, get the 1.6 diesel, because the general car itself is alright. It's just it needs everything else too. Fucking stress. Forgot to turn off the start stuff, guys. Every time you start the car, all them settings come back on. You need to switch them off. They're bloody annoying. Skill time now, isn't it? I think. So now I have to drive slow. Gonna go right. I have to open that road again. Can't tell you right. Let's see, start stop needs to go off. You hear the car come back on to life. Start stop needs to go off. Application drawer. Everything there. So Adidas. Oh, that's just the car settings. It's okay. Hopefully you can see. I might lower it a bit more. That's low now. About there-ish. Then we're gonna go right. Come on, brother. Pop you onto a motorway for you guys. See how fast it can go. What a bit like how smooth it drives and stuff. Yeah, the interior is very nice, as you can see. It's got everything there. What the fuck are these lights, man? I'm waiting for bloody four-way control. Where's the fourth road there? That's the one's bloody house. So one, that side's went. They're going now. Got two more left. No good that. Come on, you shit. Everyone's probably seeing me with this bloody camera on thinking, what the fuck's he doing? But yeah, we hit traffic time, so I'm gonna be in traffic. But yeah, thank you Peugeot for sending this car out to me. Appreciate it. I've only got it till the end of today, so I've had it for 2-3 days now. I've only got it for the end of today left, so can't do much else. I have to get all the videos out today. That's why I'm doing it in the traffic time, otherwise, because daytime is very short now. I've been busy this morning getting paperwork done and all that. Come on. What in the world? Okay, they stop now. Will it be us next or that side? This is a very long traffic light. Yes. I'll show you what it's like in sports mode as well. What the hell is this? Ah! What the hell is this? It's 30 here. Makes the car sound more louder. It's like a roar. But it doesn't really give you any extra speed. Can you hear it? Oof. It doesn't really give you any extra boost speed, anything. You can't really tell. You still have that turbo lag and everything, so it's not the best. It's really the engine problem. That's the engine, because the 1.2. They're trying to overcompensate with the big turbo, so you get that big turbo lag as well. You could probably get it tuned to have less turbo lag. But again, it's a 1.2. Trying to do all that headache. Plus, it's already bad on fuel as it is. So yeah. These roads are not fit for the bloody any car, man. These roads, so all these fucking roads are massive potholes. I'll show you everywhere. You have to fucking avoid them like this. So I'll pop onto the motorway now. As long as it's not packed up, then it should be alright. I'll bypass motorway, whatever, 70 basically. I'll get it to high speed for you. But one thing I do like when you're in sports mode, you get all this. Look, everything turns to red. Proper nice. What I will do here, what's this one, is it? Yeah, so this one I can get the torque and stuff up for you. There you go, you got the torque boost power. Ooh, sounds good in sports mode, I won't lie, but I think it's fake noise. So in Volkswagen it's called sound ductor. Every car has it, but yeah, 30 now. So yeah, every car has it. So I don't know, because when I open the window I don't think it's that loud. We'll see anyway. I think it's fake noise from inside, from the speaker, so we'll see. Wow. Yeah, this guzzles petrol. I've literally probably drove it 10 miles. I had 205 range before I started this video. So I need this lane. Come on, lads. I need to put the sound up for them. But yeah, the steering's very nice, very light. But on high speed is very, very, very tight. Like crazy tight. Well, it could be because we're going from very light to very tight. It's supposed to be tight, but not heavy tight. You get me? Come on, come on, come on. Much. See, sounds very good, doesn't it? But I can't tell if that's the sound ductor or the thingy. I'm on a 50. It does pull to the side, so it does have a bit of a tracking issue. It does pull to the side when you're thinking. But that's just a tracking issue. That's not an actual car issue, is it? So yeah. Sounds good in sports mode. You have a bit of power. This road is very, very bad. Awful road, guys. Put the foot down for you guys. See, you have a. Can you see? We're at 60, bro. It's barely moving. With max for full power, such a turbo lag, you get nothing. You get absolutely nothing, guys. So yeah, this 1.2 litre engine is absolutely useless. So can you see all these potholes here? I can't even move over till all these potholes are gone, so I have to be quick. Otherwise, you end up damaging your alloy, damaging your tyre, maybe your suspension, everything. Because some of these potholes are deadly on this road anyway. So yeah, wow. We are cruising along at 66. Let's see what miles per gallon we get. So I believe it's on driving. Nope. It is on personal 2. Currently we're getting 56 miles per gallon, which is alright. Now if I pick it up to 70, so if I keep it in 70, we're at about 23 miles per gallon. Let me try to keep it at 1 speed for you guys. Yeah. So 68 miles you get about 30 something miles per gallon. For a 1.2 litre, that's pretty terrible. This car's mainly, even for city, is pretty bad as well, I'd say. Granted, we are in sports mode, but even in normal mode, because I don't drive in normal sports mode all day long, obviously. I drive in normal mode. So yeah. Come on, lads. Take it for a quick spin. 30 lads. Gonna fall into full traffic now, I believe. We're gonna do a nighttime video so you can see what it looks like at night. These potholes. Well, yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty decent car to drive, apart from the lack of power. So if you're an old grandma that's only ever gonna drive 50, I guess should do you fine. So yeah, pretty much taking a few roads around here. I'll show you the cruise control. So if I press it down now, cruise control active. If I press it 2 times, check your speed up and down. So I've kept it at 30, so it's going to go 30 all the way now. There's also a speed limiter, so it'll limit your speed. So say this one, it won't brake for you. If I put it on speed limiter, it'll brake for me. This is just cruise control. I don't know why they didn't implement both of them together into one system. You can either use one or the other, which is a bit stupid. Go for a spin here, guys. I love the rumble when you go into sports mode, and can you hear it? It's fake though. 100% is fake. Sounds like a bloody Mercedes AMG car, man. That's 100% a fake noise, especially from a 1.2 litre. You know they're not gonna sound like that. So yeah, go for a quick spin, guys. Take you through a few roads. Central as well. All these roads are bloody potholes everywhere, man. Now, if I had the car for longer, I'd give you a proper video through some nice streets. But yeah, they've only given me for 2-3 days, and the other 2 days I was more getting the feel of the car than anything. I'm making a review as well for them guys. So yeah, so you'll see all them videos soon. pretty nice car. I'll pull over somewhere. You can see what he looks like outside. Go on, mate. I'll park up here. You can have I'll do a walk around the car. You can have a look. I was meant to do the walk around at the start. Go back a bit so people don't see. They'll think, what the hell is this guy doing with a camera on his head? Right, park it up. Okay, so walk around the car. That's the headlights. Very beautiful, don't they? Hopefully you can see. And look at the front, he looks fucking mental. Look at that. Wow. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. See you guys next time. Goodbye.